Welcome back to the Mastering Algorithms and Data Structures in PHP series. Today, we're going to explore an important data structure, heaps and their use in priority queues. By the end of this lesson, you will know how to implement heaps in PHP and understand how priority queues work and why they are useful. A heap is a specialized binary tree-based data structure that satisfies the heap property. In a max heap, the parent node is always greater than or equal to its child nodes, whereas in a min-heap, the parent node is always less than or equal to its child nodes. Heaps are primarily used to implement priority queues and to efficiently manage the largest or smallest element in a set. A priority queue is an extension of the regular queue that instead of using the first in first out FIFO principle, elements are dequeued based on priority. Heaps are often used to implement priority queues efficiently since they allow you to easily access the highest or lowest priority element in O1 time and insert or remove an element in O log n time. Let's start by implementing a simple min-heap in PHP. We will cover basic operations like inserting an element and removing the minimum element. In this implementation, we start by inserting elements into the min-heap and maintain the heap property by using heapify up after every insertion. The extract min method removes the smallest element, which is always at the root, and uses heapify down to maintain the heap structure. Let's now use our min-heap to implement a priority queue. We'll simply use the insert and extract min operations to add and remove elements based on their priority. In this example, our priority queue class uses a min-heap to ensure that elements are dequeued based on their priority, with the smallest value always being removed first. Let's take a quick look at the time complexities of the operations we performed. Heaps and priority queues are both highly efficient for scenarios where you need to constantly add and remove elements based on priority. Priority queues and heaps are used in many real-world applications such as task scheduling, CPU scheduling, pathfinding algorithms like Dijkstra's algorithm, and managing resources in simulations or games. To summarize, we learned how to implement a min-heap in PHP and use it to create a priority queue. Heaps help in efficiently maintaining priority-based data, which is extremely useful in many computational problems. Thanks for watching. In the next lesson, we'll explore more advanced data structures that can further enhance your understanding of efficient programming techniques. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to check out the complete code for this lesson on GitHub. See you in the next video.